around for a place to store all of my information for this book that is more adventure romance than my usual contemporary romance. I am writing what could be considered a romantasy. The fantasy element of it is not mystical. There's no fantastical elements to it, but adventure romance doesn't seem to be a category as far as I've been able to tell, but a lot of the resources for things like romantasy have been helpful because this is a bigger world, a more epic timeline, a more epic story than what I've tried to tell before. So I have been using the Canva whiteboard feature for a few things, and I realized that I could use it for this too. I tried Notion, I tried different softwares that are made for world building and keeping track of your series or story information, and this one works just as well. The thing I wasn't sure it could do that it actually can is linking. So I decided on these different categories, and I can add more as I would like, but basically these are all pages in a whiteboard. So in Canva, when you're creating a new design and you select whiteboard, then it becomes this infinite space to put whatever you want. You can put these notes, cards, sticky notes, and lines between them, as well as all the normal things on Canva. So just for my own inspiration, I have my contenders for the book cover that I'm still trying to decide on. So if you have thoughts about which one of these covers might be best for a Treasure Island sequel that is an adventure romance, please leave your thoughts in the comments. I am really stuck between these options. But basically, I can click and go to that page. So again, these are all just pages here. So I highlighted it and linked to another page here. So this is where I am starting to put together my outline and plan and putting down different colored sticky notes and moving them around into different places. Haven't gotten very far on that yet. So I should probably put in a link to send me back, but I have not done that yet. And I guess that would be a good demonstration actually. So I'll put in the home and show you how that works. Characters. So I'm just starting with these images and information about them. Timeline, locations. Under research, I have embedded all these YouTube videos about pirates and the time period, and this is a blog post, so I can put all kinds of stuff there, and then I have notes. So I'll put home as a button on all these pages as well. So let's say that's up here. I'm going to highlight it, click the link button, and then usually up here for link it's going to say put your URL, but I'm going to scroll down to pages in this document and go to 1. And I labeled the pages, of course, because when I was doing this earlier, I labeled all of them except for that, because when I did them earlier I was getting myself confused. So now everything except for the first page is labeled with what it is, making it easy. So now, instead of going back to that pages view every time, if I want to go back to home, I could do that, and I'm back to home. So I can put as many different pages as I want. I can mind map in different ways. I can move all these sticky notes around. I can keep track of all the research, and it can all link to each other. So I think since I use Canva every frickin' day for absolutely everything, this is going to be a great place for doing my story Bible and keeping track of everything in one place.